guys, so today I will be unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have a contract with EE, so that's where I got mine from, and as I took out insurance with them, they do give you a free phone case and screen protector. So I did go for the gold iPhone color, and I believe this is a 128 gig iPhone just because I don't really need that much storage for it. The only thing that I didn't like about this release was the fact that there wasn't a charging head for it, and as you can see, the cable is a lightning cable, but it's actually a USB-C on the other end rather than just a regular USB, so that's probably the only downside I could see. Apart from that, it just also comes with that little SIM card pin that everyone seems to lose. So this is the free screen protector and phone case that you get with EE insurance. Now, I don't know about you, but putting on screen protectors just stress me out to the absolute heavens, but I managed to get there in the end, so So I'm really pleased with the colour of this iPhone just because it's more of a champagne colour, though I don't know how I feel yet about the gold chrome sides, but I suppose it gets covered by the phone case anyway, so it's not really that big of a deal. So yeah, I just then went on and set up my iPhone as a new phone, and my aim for this one is to not just have it so cluttered, but yeah, if you guys want to see a video of what's on my iPhone, then let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!